All right, so we're here today with Teddy. He's here for his shoulder, neck, and low back pain. Tell me, Teddy, how long have you had this pain?
Well, in my back, I had it forever. It's been practically 20, 25 years.
Yep, yeah.
And the shoulders and the neck, ran it 45 months.
Oh, wow, 45 months, wow.
Yes.
What things is slowing you down from your life, this pain?
Oh, Lord. The back just constantly burns and, you can't bend, you can't reach. The shoulder and the arm does the same thing.
Gotcha.
But it keeps you from doing my regular activities.
Everything, yeah.
Like cleaning my boat,
Yeah,
scratching my back,
everything.
my left arm.
That's
I can't
tough.
do that. I got to get my wife sorted to help me.
Yeah, yeah.
But it keeps you from doing quite a bit of stuff.
Yeah, I'm sorry you're going through that. I just wanted you to do a few movements, see where your range of motion is. So arm straight, yeah.
Okay.
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 Yeah, you can totally tell you have a impingement there in your shoulder, because right, you see how far the other one got.
I
Both-
feel the pain when I bring this halfway.
Got you. Yeah, yeah, and you should be able to go all the way up. That's the normal range because your right one can do it. So lift your elbows higher. Yep, without moving your traps.
I feel pain already in the left.
Yep, and then go back.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
Yeah. Oh man.
No, not even close.
No.
Okay. All right, you good? You can turn around.
I put a strain on my neck.
Yeah, yeah. It's because your shoulder's so tight that it's pulling your whole spine. But we're gonna get you moving today and doing high fives. We're gonna do high fives, very high fives.
Okay.
All right.
Take deep breath. Turn into my palm right here. Just rotate your head. 2, 3. Nice deep breath. And throw. 1, 2, 3.
All right. So Teddy just finished working with Dr. Davis for his shoulders and neck and low back pain. How you feel right now?
I feel a lot better.
Good. You feel like you can move your neck a little better.
Yeah.
Better rotation. All right. Let's see those movements what we did before. Wow.
Oh yeah.
Oh, so Teddy, look at that. Oh my God, that's amazing.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I love it. Good, put it down. It's still a little tight there, but you can, a lot of range of
Yeah,
motion.
yeah.
Amazing. Look at that. Wow.
Oh, yeah. Wow.
Now bless, I love it. Awesome. Good. Now let's bring it back down. Back. Much better, Teddy. I love it. Yes, love it. Awesome job. Oh, yes.
Oh yeah.
Look at that. Before you can even move it.
No, before I couldn't move.
Oh my gosh, that's awesome. I love it. All right, Teddy, you can turn around. How you feel? Feel good? Happy?
Feel a lot better.
You feel happy about the result?
Oh, I do.
I love it. All right, let's get you for therapy.